Stop right there before you call a contractor, before you spend $200 on a bathroom remodel, before you buy another bottle of bleach that does absolutely nothing. Watch this. Look at this disaster. This is a real bathroom. This is what mold looks like after months, sometimes years, of being ignored. And most people think the only solution is ripping it all out and starting over. Contractors will charge you $800. $500, even $3,000 to fix what you're looking at right now. But today I'm going to show you how a $2 powder, yes, $2 will kill every single trace of that mold, permanently. No scrubbing, no expensive chemicals, no contractor needed. And the best part? You can get this powder at any grocery store, a dollar store, or pharmacy right now. This is it. This little box has been quietly sitting in laundry aisles for over 100 years, and the mold removal industry does not want you to know what it can really do. Stay with me, because in the next 20 minutes, I'm going to walk you through every single step. And by the end of this video, your bathroom is going to look brand new. If this is your first time here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell icon so you never miss a hack like this. Let's get into it. Here's something nobody talks about. Borax, the powder I just showed you, was first registered as a cleaning and pest control agent back in 1946. That's right. This formula has been around since before your parents were born. And for decades, housewives, janitors, and industrial cleaners used it to handle mold, mildew, bacteria, and stains on everything from laundry to floors to walls. It worked incredibly well. Then something happened. The commercial cleaning industry exploded in the 1980s and 1990s. Fancy branded products with long chemical names started hitting the shelves. Products that cost $8, $12, $18 per bottle. Products that you have to buy again and again because they don't permanently fix the problem. They just bleach it on the surface. Bleach, for example. Everybody uses bleach on mold. But here's the dirty secret about bleach. Bleach does not kill mold at the root. It only kills the mold you can see on the surface. The root, called the mycelium, is still alive inside your grout, your caulk, your tiles. Within 2 to 4 weeks, that mold is back. You've seen it happen, haven't you? You scrub, you spray, it's gone, and then a month later it's right back. That's exactly what the cleaning industry counts on. You buying more product over and over again. But borax? Borax doesn't just kill what's on the surface. It penetrates. It changes the pH environment so deeply that mold literally cannot regrow. It doesn't just kill the mold. It kills the conditions that allow mold to exist, and once it dries into your grout and caulk, it forms a protective barrier. A barrier that stays active for months. That's the secret they buried in the laundry aisle. And today, we're digging it back out. All right, let's talk ingredients. This is one of the cheapest cleaning projects you will ever do in your life. Here's everything you need. Item number 1, borax powder. This is the star of the show. One 76-ounce box costs around $5 to $6 at Walmart, Target, or any grocery store. But here's the thing, you're only going to use about half a cup today. So effectively, this treatment costs you under $2. Item number 2, white vinegar. A standard bottle costs about $1.50 to $2. White vinegar is acidic. It works as a pre-treatment to open up the mold colonies before the borax goes in for the kill. Item number 3, a spray bottle. Any dollar store spray bottle works perfectly, under $1 or $50. Item number 4, an old toothbrush or stiff brush. You'll use this for exactly 1 light pass. This is not scrubbing. I'll explain exactly how little effort this takes. Item number 5, warm water, free, out of your tap. That's it. Total cost, under $5 for everything. And the borax box alone will give you at least 15 to 20 treatments. So your cost per clean is basically pocket change. Let me say that again. While contractors charge $1,500 to rip out your shower, you're going to fix it permanently for under $2. Let's keep going. Now I know some of you just want to skip straight to the steps, and that's fine. The steps are coming in just a moment. But I want to spend 2 minutes explaining why this works, because once you understand the science, you'll never go back to expensive products again. Mold is a living organism. It has roots, called hyphae, that grow deep into porous surfaces like grout, caulk, and tile sealant. When you spray bleach on mold, the bleach is mostly water, and bleach is highly alkaline, but in a way that evaporates quickly. It kills the top layer of mold, but those roots, they're still alive down there. They just regrow. Now, here's what borax does differently. Borax, sodium tetraborate, is a naturally occurring mineral salt. When you dissolve borax in water and apply it to a mold-infested surface, it does 3 things. Number 1, it raises the surface pH to around 9. Mold cannot survive in a high pH environment. It's like throwing salt on a slug. The chemistry becomes hostile to the organism. Number 2, it disrupts the mold's enzyme function. Borax interferes with the metabolic processes mold needs to reproduce. No reproduction means no regrowth. Number 3, after the water evaporates, the borax residue stays. It doesn't rinse away like bleach does. It sits in the grout and caulk like a tiny invisible force field. And that's why this is permanent. Not just for a week, not just for a month. Permanently. As long as you don't actively scrub it away or over-rinse it. Now, where does the vinegar fit in? Vinegar is acidic, around pH 2.5. When you apply it first, it reacts with the surface mold and breaks up the outer cell wall of the mold colony. Think of it as a lockpick. The vinegar opens the door. Then the borax walks in and destroys everything inside. Together, they are absolutely devastating to bathroom mold. And completely safe for your family, your pets, and your surfaces. No fumes, no toxic residue. Nothing you need a gas mask for. Simple chemistry, powerful results. Let's get to work. All right, this is the part you've been waiting for. Let's walk through this step by step. Look at this before state. Black mold in every grout line. That disgusting pink mildew around the drain. Dark staining on the caulk in the corners. This bathroom has not been treated in over 3 months. This is as bad as it gets. And we're going to fix all of it, right now. Step 1, ventilate the room. Open a window, turn on your bathroom fan. Not because this mixture is toxic, it's not, but good airflow helps the treatment dry properly and helps you work comfortably. 30 seconds of prep. Done. Step 2, fill your spray bottle with white vinegar. Don't dilute it. Straight vinegar. Full strength. This is your pre-treatment. You want maximum acidity to break up those mold colonies before the borax does its job. Step 3, spray the vinegar. Directly onto every moldy surface. Don't be shy. Soak it. Every grout line. Every patch of pink or black mold you can see. Every corner where caulk meets tile. Watch this. You can already see the mold starting to react. That slight fizzing you see? That's the vinegar breaking down the outer cell walls of the mold. Now we wait. Step 4. Let the vinegar sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not wipe it off. Do not rinse it. Just let it work. While the vinegar is soaking in, let's get our borax mixture ready. Step 5. Mix your borax solution. The ratio is simple. 1 tablespoon of borax powder to 1 cup of warm water. Stir it well. You'll notice it doesn't fully dissolve, and that's okay. The undissolved particles are actually helpful. They will settle into the grout texture and stay there as a residue. That's exactly what you want. Pour this mixture into your second spray bottle, or you can use a sponge. Both methods work great. Step 6. Apply the borax solution over the vinegar. Layer it right on top. Grout lines, caulk edges, tiles, the entire affected area. See that milky white coating forming? That is the borax settling in. That's the mold killer getting into position. Now, here's where I grab my toothbrush. 1 light pass, very light. You're not scrubbing hard, you're just working the borax solution gently into the grout lines so it penetrates deeper. That's it. Maybe 30 seconds of light brushing per section. This is not traditional scrubbing. You're just nudging the solution into the surface. Big difference. Step 7. Let it sit for 30 minutes minimum. This is where the magic happens. The borax is sinking in. The mold roots are being chemically destroyed. The pH environment is shifting. Don't rush this. 30 minutes minimum. For really bad mold, leave it for up to an hour. Step 8. Wipe down with a damp cloth. Notice I said damp, not soaking wet. You don't want to rinse all the borax away. You just want to remove the loose debris and dead mold residue from the surface. The goal is to leave a thin, invisible layer of borax still inside the grout. That's your permanent protective barrier. Don't rinse with running water. Don't pour water over it. Just a light wipe. Look at that cloth. Look at what's coming off. That dark gray residue. That's dead mold. Dead and gone. Step 9. Optional second application for severe cases. If you have areas that are very deep or very old, apply the borax solution 1 more time. Same process. Spray, light brush, wait 30 minutes, wipe. For most bathrooms, 1 application is all you need. For bathrooms that have been neglected for months, 2 applications will finish the job completely. Step 10. Allow to fully air dry. Leave the bathroom ventilated for at least 2 hours. Let everything dry completely. As it dries, the borax crystallizes inside the grout pores. That's your permanent mold-proof barrier forming right now. Every hour it dries is another layer of protection locking in. This is what we started with. Black mold in every grout line, pink slime around the drain, dark staining along the caulk edges, a bathroom that looked like it needed a total renovation. And this is what we have now. Can you believe this? Same bathroom, same tiles, same grout. But look at it. The grout lines, bright and clean. The caulk edges, 0 mold, 0 staining. The entire bathroom looks like it was professionally restored. And it cost us $2, no contractor. No scrubbing until your arms give out, no toxic fumes filling your house. And here's the part that separates this method from everything else. This result is going to last, because we didn't just remove the mold you could see. We changed the chemical environment of every treated surface. Mold cannot come back to a borax-treated area. The pH is too hostile. The mineral barrier is still active. 3 months from now, 6 months from now, this bathroom will still look exactly like this. That's not a temporary clean. That's a permanent fix. Before I wrap up, let me give you a few important safety notes and pro tips. Safety note 1. Borax is not for ingestion. Keep it away from children and pets while you're working. Once it's dried into the surface, it's inert and safe. But during application, keep the bathroom door closed if kids or animals are around. Safety note 2. Avoid eye contact. Not because it's dangerous, but basic sense applies. If you're spraying above your head or working in a small enclosed space, wear simple safety glasses. Safety note 3. Don't mix borax with bleach. These two do not need to be combined. In fact, combining them reduces the effectiveness of both. Always use them separately. Pro tip 1. Test on a small area first. Before you treat your entire shower, test a small patch. Borax is safe for ceramic tile, porcelain, fiberglass, and sealed stone. But if you have unsealed natural stone, like travertine or limestone, do a small spot test first. Pro tip 2. Reapply. Every 6 months is maintenance. You don't need to do this every week. You don't even need to do it every month. Every 6 months, a light borax spray over your grout lines will keep the barrier fresh and mold completely at bay. This is your new maintenance routine. It takes 5 minutes. It costs pennies. Pro tip 3. Don't use this in a steam room. High steam environments can wash the borax residue away faster. In a standard shower, the protective barrier holds excellently. But in a dedicated steam room or steam shower, reapply every 3 months instead of 6. Pro tip 4. Add a few drops of tea tree oil to your borax solution. Tea tree oil is a natural antifungal. Adding 5 to 10 drops to your borax spray gives you an extra layer of antimicrobial protection. And your bathroom smells incredible afterward. Not like chemicals, like a clean spa, optional but highly recommended. All right, let's quickly recap what we just did. We used a $2 powder that's been sitting in grocery stores for over 100 years. We combined it with white vinegar as a pre-treatment. No harsh scrubbing, no toxic fumes, no expensive contractor. And we permanently eliminated every trace of mold from a badly neglected bathroom. The total cost? Under $5 for everything including supplies. The result? A bathroom that looks professionally restored. And a mold-proof barrier that will protect your surfaces for months. This is the kind of hack that cleaning companies and contractors genuinely don't want going viral. Because when you know this, you never need them again. Now here's what I need from you. If this video helped you, hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it helps this information reach more people who are overpaying for bathroom repairs they don't need. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a video like this. Every week I post the cheapest, most effective DIY cleaning and restoration hacks that the industry buries. This channel is your shortcut to knowing what actually works. And I have a question for you in the comments section. Right below, what is the next surface in your home that needs saving? Rusty fixtures? Stained toilet bowls? Dingy grout in your kitchen? Peeling bathroom caulk? Whatever it is, write it below. I read every comment and I build my next videos around your biggest problems. Oh, and if you have someone in your life who has been suffering with bathroom mold and has no idea the solution exists, share this video with them right now. You'll save them potentially thousands of dollars. That's a real gift. Coming up next, I'm going to show you how a $1 tablet from your cleaning aisle removes 10-year toilet bowl stains in under 30 minutes. No scrubbing? No special tools? Complete before and after. You're going to be shocked. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.